Another spotted bay bass. This one's a chunky guy. Look at this.
Man, he got a big stomach. He's gonna eat it.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hold on, I gotta zoom in a little bit.
Hit nice, dude. Let this guy go.